So let's talk about Wi-Fi. What about for your home? Is it good? Is it slow? Then I'm going to show you solutions where from the entry level to the highest level, you can always get Wi-Fi solutions and upgrade your home experience. So let's say Wi-Fi in one of the rooms is not as good. You can improve it. We just get this. It's a dual band Wi-Fi extender and AC 1200 from HIKVISION. If you need this, it's just simple. You just quickly set up on the app and then you're able to pair with your existing router and then the signal is stronger in the other room. If you need this, good for you. We go for that. Then let's say maybe you need more capacity. You get this, the AC 1200. This is just another router, Wi-Fi 5. Of course, I'll get you the Wi-Fi 6 if you need higher speeds. If you need modern technology, even Wi-Fi 7 is coming. So that is for Wi-Fi. So you can get this, again, connect, expand your network, extend your network, set up your network, you get this. Okay, that aside, you are in an area where there is no supply of Wi-Fi, right? This also a solution for you. The 4G, this is 1200 Mbps. It's like a gigabit router. You get a SIM card, insert inside the router. This one I must show you how it looks like. So this is the packaging in the box. Of course, you'll get your 2 antennas. These are the 2 antennas. Then you'll get your router itself. So on the router, you just screw the antennas behind it. It's so simple, it's so easy. Even for you at home, you can just quickly set up. Then you have WAN and LAN. You can extend your local network now from this router. You have the power adapter, of course, and then you can reset. So one highlight I'll give you is, if you get this 4G router, just make sure that the SIM card you insert has data or has access to a network. Then make sure that it doesn't have a pin. Then the moment you plug it in, it's just a plug and play. Then you can set your hotspot, name your Wi-Fi and all that. So you see, for your home Wi-Fi, I think I have you sorted already. But then maybe your home is really big. You want to do something better, something bigger. I'll show you what to get. So we can get this, like let's say your farm is very large. You can get this PoE repeater and then directly just extend your network. Receive a signal, expand, continue expanding for longer range. So this PoE repeater will just get one signal, then it will output 2 signals. So instead of one, maybe you already have something existing and you want to add another extension, just go for this. Okay, this aside, you are doing your network. Now we are talking about a professional network, right? You have deployed a solution. You've set up your Wi-Fi. Now you need to get it to other places in your home, in your business, in your restaurant, all that, right? You can get wireless access points. So today I have two wireless access points. So let me just put this aside. I have this. This is the ceiling access point. You just plug in. It's powered by PoE. If you don't know what PoE is, it's power that comes from a device like this. This is called a switch, and the work of a switch is to extend your network. So you get this, connect a network cable to this. Then once you have the network cable, so if you don't know what I mean by network cable, I have some HIKVISION patch codes here. So of course HIKVISION will give you network cable, but this is how a network cable looks like. You see this connector. So you just plug in on both ends and then your device is plugged into power and then it powers. Okay, so for you to achieve that professional setup, you will need a router or a wireless bridge. This connects to the network input. Then with this, you connect to a switch. So you see how you're building the network. So from this to this, what I mean by building your network, you're just trying to achieve this topology, something like this. Okay, so from the router to the switch, then now you're able to power your access points. So this access point, this is ceiling, indoor access point. Then you have this outdoor access point. Of course, this is more powerful, more huge with a longer range. So we can also get you this. You also power this. Same technology you build. And the one thing that I want to highlight is, we'll give you a solution where you don't need to even get a computer to configure. You just get HIK Connect app. If you don't know what HIK Connect is, just go to your store, get HIK Partner Pro. So for the installers, you get HIK Partner Pro. For the end users, you get HIK Connect. So if you're the consumer, HIK Connect. If you're the installer, HIK Partner Pro. On HIK Partner Pro, you're able to configure all this and then deliver to your clients, right? I hope we're still on the same page. Then just to finalize, you may find that when you're deploying network cables, some distances become unreasonable. Some terrain issues, some maybe landscape issues, you cannot pull these cables maybe in some areas, right? So I'll still give you a solution. I'll give you wireless bridge. It usually comes as a kit. This is a wireless bridge. So with this kit, you see like this is a 5 gigahertz, 867 Mbps bridge. How many kilometers? 3 kilometers. So if you know you cannot pull cables within 3 kilometers, go for this. Some people will ask, why should I go for this? Because you may have something that is really far away and you still want to transmit wirelessly to your home. So you just go for this. Then we have another type. It's more or less the same, but this is a 500 meters range. So you see, 500 meters, 1 kilometer. So based on your requirement, of course, you go for the correct wireless bridge that matches. So you can work with these wireless bridges and then extend your network. Of course, they always come in pairs. Maybe someone doesn't believe that they come in pairs. So let me open this one up. If you think I'm lying, then time to see. Or if you don't believe the word, time to see. So this comes as this. So this is one side of the bridge. This is the AP. Then this is the CPE. This is a transmitter. Then they come with the PO injector. They come with the power supply. So you don't necessarily need even to deploy a switch. So if you're an installer, you're sorted for wireless communication issues. So that's it. Quick introduction. If you have questions, then we can break down this one by one. We can set up the network topology. I'll show you how to do that on HIK Partner Pro, and then you set up and have your Wi-Fi. So you can do as many and make your network as big as you would prefer. So it's been my pleasure. Of course, I introduced the switch. This is a smart managed switch, 8-port gigabit PoE. So it's been my pleasure taking you through this. I hope we ask questions so that we can now do the different setups. Thank you.